Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Shopify for starting an online store in the USA, complete guide step by step clearly. Visit the Shopify website at www.shopify.com. Click on the Start Free Trial button on the homepage. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a secure password for your account. Provide a name for your online store. Click the Create Your Store button to proceed. Fill out the required personal information, including your address and contact details. Select the type of products you plan to sell when prompted. Click Next to continue. Choose your main selling channel, typically the online store. Explore the setup options available on the dashboard. To customize your store's appearance, click on Online Store in the left menu. Select Themes to browse available designs. Choose a theme that fits your brand and click Add. Once the theme is added, click on Customize to modify it. Upload your logo, set your brand colors, and adjust fonts. Add your product categories under the Products section. To add products, click on Add Product. Fill in the product title, description, price, and images. Set your inventory and shipping details for each product. Once everything is complete, click Save. Go to the Settings menu at the bottom left of the dashboard. Select Payments to choose your preferred payment gateways. Follow the instructions to set up Shopify payments or other options. Next, head to Shipping and Delivery to configure your shipping settings. Set your shipping rates based on your business needs. Finally, make sure to preview your store using the View Your Store option. When you're satisfied with the setup, click the Launch Website button. Your online store is now live and ready to attract customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.